We are a waste recycling company. We process lots of different wastes, C&D waste, construction waste, any household waste. We're mainly a transfer station for other companies as well. We installed our Kiverco plant in the early part of 2022, and we've got the best out of our wood. Our hardcore is clean, nice, tidy. Now we're just getting every little bit of waste.
This for us, I would class as a state-of-the-art recycling facility. It's a great example of a collaboration between Excel Waste Management and Kiverco and what we can achieve together by designing the perfect solution for the customer.
The installation was really good from start to finish. It went up seamlessly with no problems. We couldn't ask for a better finish, really.
What they have is a plant that delivers 50 tonnes an hour using more automation than the traditional manual process. We have front-end shredding, near-infrared sorting, air density separation, eddy current separation and magnet separation.
The best bit about our plant is, I would say, the metal. We was losing a lot of metal, and with the 2 magnets we've got and the eddy current, we're not losing any ferrous or non-ferrous. Our metal has doubled.
I would say in this plant, the shredding is a key part because it breaks everything down to 300mm piece size, and the air separation is key, that we can split those fractions, a heavy, a mid-heavy and a light fraction, in order to get the throughput of the plant. If you're loading a traditional hopper, you're solely reliant on the loader of the plant, whereas the shredder dictates the pace of material to the plant. When we designed it, we didn't have people throughout the system everywhere. We have one person in the control room, and all the pickers are stationed inside one unit, because sites these days, with the amount of traffic movements and vehicles in and out, shovels loading in and out, it's easier to have them all in one position, that they have a safe access in and out of the picking station. When we start the initial concept design, we always have in the mind that the plant may need to be adapted. So that is one of the key criteria when we're designing a plant, that if something changes, how can we easily adapt the plant, which is why our equipment is made and designed with that modular format, that it can be adapted. When you buy a plant off Kiverco, that's not the job finished. Waste is changing every year. We're seeing that there's probably less hardcore and more wood in the waste. So you need to be able to adapt and make those changes.
As a company, I would definitely recommend Kiverco. Everything has been perfect.